designated to make that shot at them.
Dave trying to attack. It ends up with Serrano in traffic. Open free from Ildefonso. No, it's a long two. It's a long two on a free. Coach Mike Perez at courtside. We have Miss Mika Abisamis. Ildefonso lumusot sa loob. He gets the basket. And a bonus free throw coming up.
Playoffs, 13 points at tumataginting na 13 rebounds, no? But I know you just want a win, and I guess you were just really a big impact in this very important game.
Yun nga, first of all, I just want to say thank you kay God kasi without him talaga, this wouldn't have happened. And you know, grabe yung Quezon eh. Grabe yung game 1, ako yung nakabantay kay Pagaran. And halos di ako makatulog nung gabi ngayon eh. Grabe. So buti lang talaga na para sa amin nata talaga yung laro. And buti lang medyo mas na limitahan namin siya. And yun nga, you said na I just want to win. And thankfully nanalo kami and we're just one win away for my goal.
You mentioned the Quezon Huskers with their great 2 performances, losing by just a little. It's definitely going to be more intense in their home court. Your thoughts?
Ako, syempre gusto ko talaga manalo sa bahay nila. And you know, I'm a competitive guy and you know, I love the crowd there. Ang laki ng Quezon Convention eh. And I just want to be able to compete with the best and Quezon Huskers are the best team in the South.
Right, Dave, meron ka ba mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan? Nanay, tatay na nagmotor papuntang Abra?
Una kong babatiin siyempre si yung kay Marwin, si Kobe Taiwan and si JB Mendoza. Tapos yung napaka sipag kong driver, si Kuya Mark, birthday niya kahapon. Mark Laida and si nanay, si tatay. Tapos itong binigay sa akin si G-Roy Flicker Bite. Kung nasa Green Hills kayo, kung may gusto kayong paayos, doon kayo kay Ladino Heroy at saka Joy Heroy. And yun nga, sa mga Abreños dyan, kung malapit kayo sa Quezon, sana makanood kayo sa December 16. And yun nga, thank you God again. Yun na.
Right, maraming salamat, Dave Ildefonso.
Sorry, si girlfriend ko pala. Si Lina, hello. Yeah.
Pinaka-importante. Maraming salamat, Dave Ildefonso. Best player of the game is powered by 747 Live. Play what you love, win what you deserve. Again, Coach Mike.
Huwag